Hi Swara, happy birthday dear.
Hi Swara, how are you? Very happy birthday to you. I hope you could recollect. I am Dr. Rajesh Koradia.
I'm Dr. Deepti Korodia. We were the first to hold you in our arms.
So really we are so happy to participate in your birthday wishes, and we pray God you remain blessed forever. Thank you so much.
God bless you beta.
तुला 13 वर्षाच्या वाढदिवसाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. खूप शिक, खूप मोठी हो,
यशस्वी हो.
यशस्वी हो. परमेश्वर
आमचा
तुझं
तुला
रक्षण करो.
आशीर्वाद आहे.
हं?
आमचा तुला आशीर्वाद
आशीर्वाद आमचा तुला आशीर्वाद आहे. परमेश्वर तुझे रक्षण करो.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Swara. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Swara. Happy birthday to you. स्वरा तुला वाढदिवसाच्या लाखला शुभेच्छा आणि तुला दीर्घायुष्य लाभो हीच आपली मात्रे कुटुंबाकडनं सदिच्छा.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Swara. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Swara. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday Swara. May God bless you.
Happy birthday Swara.
हॅपी बर्थडे स्वरा.
Happy birthday Swara दीदी.
चिरंजीव स्वरा हीच 13व्या वाढदिवसाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा, अनेकोत्तम शुभाशीर्वाद.
हॅपी बर्थडे स्वरा बेटा.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Swara. Happy birthday to you. God bless you. Hi Swara, wish you a very happy birthday. Have a great year ahead and enjoy your teens.
स्वरा हैप्पी बर्थडे. बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तू जिए हजारों साल ये मेरी है आरज़ू. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू स्वरा. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू.
Happy birthday Swara.
We love you.
May God bless you. Have a great day, beta.
Hope you have a wonderful birthday even if it's in quarantine.
Hey Swara, God bless you beta. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. We love you.
Hello everyone. Have a fabulous birthday, Swara. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Swara.
You are going in your teenage world.
Now you'll be 13.
Yeah, and all things will be good.
All the best for your future. Yay.
Love you.
Happy birthday स्वरा. God bless you.
Many happy returns of the day, Swara.
Wish you a many happy returns of the day, Swara.
Happy birthday Swara. Happy birthday.
Enjoy your day. God bless you. Take care.
और दर्द और गम से तुम अनजान रहो, खुशियों से तुम्हारी पहचान रहे. हमारे तो दिल की सिर्फ इतनी सी दुआ है, तुम्हारे चेहरे पे हमेशा मुस्कान रहे.
Hey Swara, happy birthday, my dear. Welcome to the teenage years. Enjoy every bit of it, and I hope you're having lots and lots of fun today. Eat lots of cake and have some for me too. So hope to see you soon, and enjoy. And ciao for now. Love you. Bye.
Swara, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Swara. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Swara. Happy birthday.
Hi Swara. How are you, Swara?
Wish you many happy returns of the day.
have a very good happy birthday and God bless you. Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Swara. Happy birthday to you. Wow, you're officially a teenager now. Hi Swara baby, here's wishing you lots of love and many happy returns of the day from Niku Didi, Chinu Didi, Nana, Nani and Snow. We all miss you. Well, teenager hona itna big deal nahi hai, so just chill and have lots of fun and listen to your mommy papa always and be a good daughter, which you already are. And well, so enjoy your day and I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.
Swara, enjoy your day. God bless you.
Wow, Swara, you have turned teenager.
13. God bless you, Swara.
खूप मोठी हो, खूप शिक. May God bless you.
We love you.
We love you, Swara.
Love you. Love you.
Hi, Swara. Wish you many happy returns of the day. God bless you. Jio Hazar.
Happy birthday, Swara.
God bless you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Swara. Happy birthday to you.
Hey Swara, as you enter into your teenage life, I want you to enjoy this awesome period to the fullest. Your Masa and Masi wishes you a very happy birthday.
Hello, happy birthday, Swara.
Happy birthday, Swara.
Happy birthday, Swara. God bless you. Mwah.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Swara. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Swara. God bless you. We love you.
Hi, Swara. Wish you a very happy birthday. God bless you. Happy birthday. Swara Didi.
Happy birthday, Swara.
Love you, Didi.
Hi Swara, happy birthday.
Hi, Swara. Happy birthday, dear. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Swara. Enjoy your quarantine birthday.
God bless you, dear.
See you soon.
Yay!
With lots of love from Siddhi Chachi.
Happy birthday, Swara. Oh, so these are the teenage years. Enjoy the best years of your life with lots of love and happiness from Abhi Chachu. Take care.
Hi Swara, on this auspicious day of yours, I would like to say that you are a gift to all who know you. I hope your birthday is as sweet as you are and fun too. Take all the blessings from my side and have an exciting journey from being a kid to a teenager and turn out to be a wonderful human later. I wish you have a future full of sparkling lights and have an amazing year ahead. Just be the way you are. We love you a lot. And I do miss right now not being there. I feel bad for not being there right now, but we'll definitely make sure that once we meet, we celebrate your 13th birthday with full of excitement and fun and joy. Just be the way you are, girl. Just be the way you are because you're smart, you're intelligent, you're wonderful, and we love you the way you are. Wish you a very happy 13th birthday. We all love you, darling.
Swara, happy birthday to you. Swara, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Swara Didi. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. God bless you, Swara.
Hi Swara, happy birthday. It's a special day today, so I'm wishing you all the good fortune, success and good health for today and upcoming years. May you be the center of attraction on all your birthdays. Happy birthday once again. God bless you.
Happy birthday to a special girl who brings sunshine wherever she goes. Happy 13th birthday, Swara.
Happy birthday, Swara. Wishing you loads of love and laughter now and always, darling. From Boo and Bua.
Hi Swara. Many more happy returns of the day as you have entered to your new stage of life, the teenage life. I wish you all the very best and just rock it. So do select your career path very confidently and reach to extreme heights and make your parents proud as they have been supporting you so much. So never put them down. Face your each stage of life from now on confidently with much brave and gear up and just kill it. So do well, beta. God bless you, dear. Blast your day. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Swara. Finally, you're 13. Enjoy it, embrace it, and seriously, we're enjoying it so much. You're going to enjoy it with us now.
Welcome to your teenage years. You get 7. Use them wisely. And from the bottom of my heart, happy birthday, kiddo.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Swara Didi. May God bless you. Enjoy your birthday and eat so many sweets and chocolates.
Hello Swara, happy birthday. Many happy returns of the day. May God bless you. Enjoy your day.
Swara, this one is for you. चन वर्गा रूप तेरा फुल्ला वर्गी तेरी मस्ती वेख वेख माँ तेरी खुश होवे तेरे पियो दी रूह भी हसदी तेनू लगे तू बस एक दो थां अपने माँ प्यो दे दिल दे तेनू लगे तू बस एक दो थां अपने माँ प्यो दे दिल दे नाना नाना कुड़िए तू ते पूरे परिवार दे दिल विच बसदी. हैप्पी बर्थडे स्वरा.
Happy birthday
to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to Swara. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. God bless you, Swara. Have a nice birthday.
Happy birthday, Swara. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Swara. Happy birthday, Swara. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Hi Swara. Congratulations on turning 13 and entering into your teen. Many happy returns of the day to you, Swara.
Wishing you a very happy birthday, Swara. May God bless you. Keep rocking. Enjoy your birthday, dear.
Happy birthday, Swara. Stay blessed.
Happy birthday, Swara. May God bless you, beta.
Happy birthday, Swara. May God bless you. Take care, baby.
Wish you many happy returns of the day, Swara. Enjoy your day, beta, with your family, with your friends, and stay happy. God bless you. Love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Swara. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. May God bless you, dear Swara. Happy birthday to you. A big birthday wish to sweet Swara. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Swara.
Have lots of fun and good luck to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Swara.
many happy returns of the day. Wishing you lots of love, happiness and good health. Have a wonderful year ahead. Have a fantastic day filled with everything you love the most. Happy birthday once again.
Hey, kiddo. Oh, correction. You're a teenager now. Officially a teenager at your 13th birthday. Congratulations. It's a big thing. Yeah? So be prepared to get lots and lots of gyan. Everybody around you will give you lots of gyan. But also, it's a time of having lots and lots of fun, lots of gossip, guys, fun, games, plans, dreams. So dream big. Well, maybe.
And dancing?
Could be. So, all in all, have lots of fun, dream big, make us all proud. Yeah? And this is for you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Swara. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Happy birthday. God bless you.
Hello baby Swara. Swara, happy birthday to you. God bless you. Hope you make your parents very proud. They're very lucky to have you. Have a beautiful, abundant, happy life ahead, baby. God bless you. Stay happy, stay safe, stay home.
Swara Didi,
Congratulations on entering your teens. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Swara. Have a great year, bacha. God bless you.
Hi Swara, I'm Ananya. Aradhya. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Swara. Happy birthday to you. Happiest birthday Swara. May all your wishes come true.
Birthday, Swara. Here's a birthday song for you. Hope you enjoyed it.
Happy birthday, Swara. I hope you have an amazing day. I miss you and I hope to see you soon and have a lovely day.
Hey Swara, happy birthday. May you have a great day ahead. Miss you.
Happy birthday, Swara. I hope you have an awesome day ahead, dummy. I love you.
Happy birthday, Swara. May you have a wonderful year ahead. Enjoy, have a blast. Love, Ali.
Happy birthday, dearest Swara. May God bless you and lots of love. And I won't forget all the fun times we've had together and all our beautiful memories. And I hope you have a wonderful smile on your face always. And no matter wherever life takes us, we always remain friends. Love you. Happy birthday once again.
Many happy returns of the day, Swara. Hope you have a wonderful year ahead.
Hi Swara. Wish you a very happy birthday. Have a lovely day. And keep smiling, dear. Take care. Enjoy yourself. Bye.
Happy 13th birthday, Swara. Welcome to your teens. May God bless you with good luck and happiness always. And may all your dreams come true. Enjoy your day and have a blast.
Come to your teenage year when drama and pimples seems to pop up at all the wrong time. Wish you many happy returns of the day, Swara.
Hi Swara. Wish you many happy returns of the day. God bless you. Meet you soon.
Love you.
Happy birthday, Swara. Enjoy your day. May God bless you. Have a safe birthday, dear. May all your wishes come true. And welcome to teenage. Meet you soon. And we love you. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Swara. Many happy returns of the day.
Happy birthday, Swara Didi. I love you.
Wish you very happy birthday, Swara Didi.
Birthday. Happy birthday, Swara Didi.
Hi Swara Didi, how are you? By the way, today is your birthday and here I wish you the happiest birthday, Swara Didi. God bless you. I am missing you. Take care. Bye.
Making cake and pizza.
For why you are making cake and pizza?
Because it's a party.
Whose party?
You
Tell. Swara?
Swara Didi.
How you will wish her? What you will say?
Happy birthday, Swara Didi. May God bless you. I love you.
Happy birthday, Swara.
Happy birthday, Swara. God bless you. Enjoy your day. May your wishes come true. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Swara. Happy birthday to you.
Hi, Swara. Oh, birthday girl. Happy birthday. Thanks for inviting me. I know you are looking damn pretty today, isn't it? You know what? You are the God's precise gift for your parents. Your parents are proud of you. Your smiles are more beautiful than the colorful corals of the Pacific Ocean. You are no less than an angel. You are as magnificent as sun. You attract people by the rays of your cuteness. Lots and lots of love, hugs, and loads of best wishes for you. May God give you all the success you deserve. It's your day, so celebrate your birthday with joy and happiness. Happy birthday.
Hi Swara, welcome to your teenager. Wish you many happy returns of the day.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear Swara. Happy birthday to you. Hey Swara, wishing you happy birthday and enjoy your day with your parents.
Good to know that our Swara is entering to her teenage, so I wish her all the best and enjoy her life and wishing her a very happy birthday.
Hello, Swara. I'm wishing you a very happy birthday with Swar to Swara. Hi, Swara.
Wish you a very happy birthday. God bless you.
Hi Swara darling, wish you many happy returns of the day. Enjoy your day, take care, stay safe.
हाय बेटा, कैसे हो स्वरा? हाउ आर यू? लॉकडाउन एंजॉय कर रहे हो? बाय द वे, ऑन दिस ब्यूटीफुल डे आई विश यू many हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे. टेक केयर बेटा एंड टेक केयर ऑफ इरा आल्सो. लव यू. बाय.
Hi Swara, happy birthday. Many happy returns of the day. Enjoy your day and God bless you beta.
बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. हैप्पी बर्थडे डियर स्वरा. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday Swara. Enjoy your 13th birthday. Lots of wishes and blessings from us. Bye bye.
Wish you a happy birthday. Love from Asha, Masi, and Rahul. Stay home, stay safe. Miss you. Bye.
As you're entering a new generation, be healthy, be well, and stay blessed. Wish you many happiness of the day. God bless.
Hi Swara, I'm Sapna and we have met once when you were a very little girl, but I wish you all the happiness of the world. It's your birthday and you've turned 13. Yay!
Hello Swara beta, I wish you happy birthday. आप हमें नहीं जानती है, मैं मीनाक्षी आंटी मुंबई इंडिया से बोल रही हूँ। एनीवे, आपके जन्मदिन पे हम आपको ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं देते हैं, बहुत सारे आशीर्वाद देते हैं। आपका भविष्य बहुत उज्जवल हो, आप हर जगह हर फील्ड में सक्सेसफुल हो, बस यही शुभकामनाएं। थैंक यू।
Happy birthday, Swara. May God give you a lot of happiness. Bye, take care, enjoy.
Hey Swara, wishing you a very happy, beautiful 13th birthday. Have fun, God bless.
Happy birthday, Swara. Have an amazing year ahead and lots of love.
Hi Swara, wish you many happy returns of the day, sweetheart. Have a blast. Enjoy yourself. God bless you always. Thank you.
Hi Swara, many happy returns of the day. I just hope कि आप खूब सारी मस्ती करो, खूब सारा धमाल करो और बस अपना ध्यान रखो। टेक केयर, बाय बाय।
ए भाई, हुआ क्या? ए भाई बोलना, हुआ क्या?
अरे हुआ नहीं है, आज अपन की बहुत बड़ी फैन स्वरा का हैप्पी बर्थडे।
तो भाई टेंशन नहीं लेने का, गाना सुनाने का।
करेक्ट। बार
भाई कौन से बार की बात करेला भाई?
अरे बार बोले तो अगेन एंड अगेन, बार दिन ये आए, बार दिल ये गाए,
तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये हमारी है आरज़ू।
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
तो टेंशन नहीं लेने का, केक काटने का, पार्टी करने का, बोले तो मत जाना बर्थडे।
Hi, this is Sanjay Kenny, voice of Augie and the Cockroaches. Dear Swara, wish you a very happy birthday. God bless. Stay blessed.
बार दिन ये आए, बार दिल ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू स्वरा, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। विश यू हैप्पी बर्थडे स्वरा, गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑलवेज। खूब तरक्की करो, बड़े होके माँ बाप का नाम रोशन करो। माई गुड विशेस ऑलवेज विद यू।
Hi Swara, this is Madhu Shukla uncle here, and wish you many happy returns of the day. May God bless you and fulfill all your desired wish. So have a great day and have a blast. Bye bye, loads of love and best wishes. Happy birthday.
हाय स्वरा, नमस्कार। मैं हूँ सुनील पाल और आज आपका जन्मदिन है। बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं आपको। आप जियो हजारों साल, आप जियो हजारों साल, ये तहे दिल से दुआ दे रहा है सुनील पाल। भक्त जनों, स्वरा की भावनाओं को समझो। स्वरा, भगवान करे आपका जीवन हमेशा खुशी से रहे, हरा भरा। ऑल द बेस्ट स्वरा, गॉड ब्लेस।
Happy birthday to you, my dear Swara. And Swara, you know, you are very cute, very sweet. बहुत लाडली, बहुत प्यारी हो मम्मी पापा के। I know, मम्मी पापा बहुत प्यार भी करते हैं। आज तुम्हारा बर्थडे है, हर विश तुम्हारी होगी पूरी जब साथ में होंगी तुम्हारी मम्मी अर्चना छुरी। कर दो इसकी तमन्ना पूरी।
Choreographer Girish Prajapati.
And this is Nimesh Soni, an actor, and we are here to wish Swara
many happy returns of the day.
उसे wish करना है, डराना नहीं है। Swara, many happy returns of the day. God bless you. Stay blessed.
Stay safe.
Hi Swara, on your 13th birthday एक स्पेशल गाना मेरी तरफ से तुम्हारे लिए। Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear Swara. May you have many more and keep rocking, keep shining. Happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday Swara. May Allah always bless you and keep you happy. Best wishes always for you. Take care of yourself and be happy. Have a wonderful year.
Hi Swara, this is Jimmy uncle. आपके 13th बर्थडे यानी टीन हो गई आप। टिंग टिंग टिंग। गॉड ब्लेस यू। अपना बर्थडे एंजॉय करो मम्मी पापा के साथ।
Hi
Happy birthday, girl. It's me, Karishma from City 1016. And guess what? Now, you've obviously got this very special thing happening right now on your 13th birthday. And your mom, Archana, asked me to be a part of it. Thank you, Archana. And loads of love going out to you, birthday girl. Swara, mwah, mwah, mwah. Have a wonderful day. Have a blessed year. God bless you. Sending you lots of love, virtual hugs, and all that virtual stuff that social distancing demands right now. Stay safe and stay amazing.
A very warm hi to Swara, my princess Swara. Many happy returns of the day, sweetheart. May God bless you with all the happiness of the world and be with you in all your achievements. Yeah.
Happy birthday, Swara.
Happy birthday, Swara. Hi, Swara Didi. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Swara. I'm so happy for you. I've turned 13 years old and that's so great. And plus you're the council member of your class. And yeah, I'm really happy for you. But of course, I'm missing. I want to see you. So happy birthday. Hope you enjoy your day. And plus I have nothing to give you, in this situation. So yeah, but my love is always there for you. So happy birthday.
Hi Swara. Wish you many happy returns of the day. आम्ही आज गॉड ब्लेस यू आणि आज आम्ही तुझा बर्थडे इकडे सेलिब्रेट करणार आहे.
येणाऱ्या आयुष्यासाठी तुला सुख समृद्धीच्या भरभराटीच्या आणि आई वडिलांच्या आशीर्वाद लावा प्रत्येक क्षण. त्याबरोबर तुला हार्दिक शुभेच्छा आणि मेनी हॅपी रिटर्न ऑफ द डे.
Many happy returns of the day, Swara. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Swara. Happy birthday to you.
हॅपी बर्थडे स्वरा. सो तुझ्यासाठी हा केक मी नेलेला बरोबर आहे.
स्मॉल ब्रदरला आणि दीदीला
आणि दीदीला आणि तुम्हाला काय बोलतो
अंकल.
आणि तुझ्या निवास अंकलला.
मम्मीला
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Swara. Happy birthday to you.
Many happy returns of the day, Swara. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Didi. Happy birthday, Didi.
Hey Swara, wish you a very happy birthday. Love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Swara. Happy birthday to you. Hey Swara, this is Sukhdev Uncle from Mumbai, and I just want to wish you a very happy 13th birthday. Wish you having a lovely day today, and I wish you a very awesome, lovely, fabulous life ahead of you. God bless you, stay blessed, and wishing you all the success in life.
Hi. Happy birthday, Swara. God bless you.
Hi, Swara dear. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Swara Didi. I am very blessed to have a Didi like you. May God bless you.
Happy birthday, Swara. Oh, so this was the surprise. I hope you like it. That's why we were hiding from you everything. Hope she like it and she cheers the moon. God bless you, beta.
Happy birthday, Swara. I'm so proud that today you turn 13. I wish you all happiness of the life. Just keep growing like this and make me proud every step. Thank you very much to be a part of my life. Love you, darling. Take care.